Here's another example where we are to express 19 over 5 as a mixed fraction. 19 over 5 as a mixed fraction. Solution. That is, we're going to divide 19 by 5. And to do this, we apply the long division method. 5, then 19 here. How many times will 5 go in 19? You'll find it to go 3 times. Now, apply your 3 times 5 here. That is, 3 multiplied by 5 will give us 15. And when we subtract this, we'll get our remainder as 4. This is our remainder. Therefore, we can now say 19 over 5 equals 3 whole number, then remainder 4 over 5. Thank you.